Hey, what's up guys? I'm going to be doing a review on this Berliner Bags minimalistic wallet. Now, as you can see here on the top, we do have the logo. On the side, buy less but better. Now, moving on to the inside, thank you for choosing Berliner Bags. You will get 2 stickers, RFID card, the tag, and then here you have the name of the wallet and a little more information. You will also get this little booklet, which you'll be able to see other items that they have, which are all going to be leather as well. Now, finally, here we have the wallet. Now, as you can see, the wallet is super thin. You will have a variety of different tones to choose from when it comes to the leather. I did go ahead and choose the earth tone, which I think is a nice medium between too light and too dark. Moving on to the inside, you're able to put 3 cards on this side, 3 cards on this side, and then you will have these slots in the back, which you do have on both sides, to put any bills or extra cards. And I mean, that's pretty much it. I'm super excited to see how this wallet patinas over time. And I do want to mention, as soon as you open this wallet, you definitely get that really strong leather smell. And so overall, I definitely recommend this wallet, especially for anyone looking for a very minimalistic style wallet with genuine high quality leather.